Okay, February 1st, 2025, we are making up our cold concoction or a cold remedy concoction, if that, whatever you want to call it there. And I didn't show mixing it up. I just went on and cut up half of a red onion. It says use a whole red onion, but we're not going to need that much of this stuff, so I'm reducing the recipe some. About half of that red onion. We didn't use as much fresh garlic as they said, so I used some minced garlic. Honey put in. We mashed the garlic. Now something, and that's about a not quite a half a tablespoon of turmeric, cinnamon, and cayenne each. Put those in. And the lemon wasn't on the recipe that I saw, but I said, what the heck? And so I went on and cut a lemon and squeezed the juice in it, and also included some skin and pulp from the lemon. So we'll see how that works. It says to close it up, let it sit overnight, shake, or maybe shake it up, before tomorrow. Shake it up, then let it mix up, and then maybe tomorrow, after about 24 hours, strain it and take a teaspoon or tablespoon of it. I don't know if we'll strain it or not. We may just eat the globules, all that junk in it, whatever. I'm not sure. But like I say, since science and modern medicine can't cure the common cold, we figured we would try a home remedy. And it may not cure it, and I think what science just masks the symptoms of it anyway. But you can't go wrong with it, I don't think. Now also, we've also heard that if you cut an onion in half and put it next to your bed at night, that will draw the cold out. Now, I have no idea whether it will or not. I have no idea whether this will work or not. It's not scientific. It's just exercise and having a video, do something with a video. But tonight we will use this piece of onion we have left, and we'll cut this one in half, and we will put it sort of close to us, and I don't know, we'll see what works. And even if all this seems to work, we won't know whether it does work or not, because the cold may just run its course. I mean, it's not that bad of a cold anyway, or it doesn't seem to be yet. It could turn and get worse, but so far it just hasn't been that bad. But we will see. So let's sort of put all this back up, close up the lid, let it macerate. That's the word I heard on the on the other video. Let it macerate, and we'll see how it does. Also, we are going to be, if we get around to it, if we feel like it today, we're going to be doing a review of this Ryobi 10-inch 18-volt chainsaw. And I've got one video of it, but a different one. It's the same saw, but a different saw. But I want to get a better video of it doing a little bit more work if I feel like messing with it. And let's see, what else? We're going to do some. The book for beginning beekeepers came yesterday, and the beekeeping supplies, the beekeeping hive, and the other stuff supposed to come today. I need someone. I'm being a copycat. Frank's getting his bees. He's been wanting them for a couple of years, and I've always been curious about bees. So I'm being a copycat. I'm getting some, but I don't want to do all the work myself. I want to have it done. I think he wants to put his together and everything. And the one I've got coming, all you got to do is assemble it, but I think he's going to build his. But I need a beekeeper, Oconee, Jackson County area, I'll buy the bees, but somebody to take care of the bees and harvest the honey. I don't know what type of split or ratio or whatever people do about that kind of stuff, but I would like to find a beekeeper to take care of the stuff. Shop cat. Oh, shop cat. She's headed for the food. Oh, what are you doing, shop cat? She's ignoring me. And she's scratching. Okay, well, I think maybe this will wrap this one up, and we'll We'll add some other video on the back end of this, get it up to about 8.5, 9 minutes maybe, or maybe make a different one, put this on the back end of one. But anyway, we'll add a bunch of stuff here and there, whatever, and upload this one. And we'll update you as to how it works out in the morning or tomorrow or Sunday, Monday, if it works at all. Now, I don't have any off-road lights on the Jeep here, but I see just what the difference in price make. There's a lot of difference in it. I need to get some off-road lights on this one. And the other, well, I've got fog lights on the other one, but the bulbs are burnt out. I need to get tires on it so we can start driving it again. And find another door for the back, for this back, and get this front door on. There are a lot of deer over here, I tell you. Awful lot of deer over here. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off. Where you at, buddy? Hope you get you some lunch.
You're a pretty scruffy looking little fella. You don't look particularly healthy. We're going to leave you in peace.